In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide sensitive content on TikTok. Hiding sensitive content on TikTok is crucial for maintaining user privacy and safety. It helps protect individuals from potential harassment, cyberbullying, or exploitation. It also ensures that inappropriate content doesn't reach unintended audiences, particularly younger users who may be more vulnerable. To do this, simply head into your TikTok. On your profile page, tap on these 3 lines and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, navigate onto the accessibility option right here. You will then head on this option of photo-sensitive videos. Make sure to enable this option. When turned on, video that might trigger photosensitive seizures will get removed using effects. That's how easy it is to disable sensitive content on your TikTok account. If you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos like this one.